I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to block memories from specific days in Google Photos. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 2. Tap your Google profile icon on this screen to open a menu, and then tap Photo Settings in this menu. If you're using an Apple device, this may say Google Photos Settings. Step 3. Tap Preferences in the list of options. Step 4. Tap Memories. Options for Google Photos memories are displayed. Step 5. Tap Hide Dates. Step 6. Tap Add Dates. A calendar opens asking you to choose the start date and end date for the specific date range you want to hide memories from. First, tap the first date in the date range you want to block memories from, and then choose the last date. If you just want to block Google Photos memories for one day, tap that date as both the start and end dates. Tap OK when you're done. That calendar will close and you'll return to the Hide Date screen, where you'll see a list of all of the date ranges you've blocked from seeing memories for in Google Photos. Memories from these date ranges won't be shown in Google Photos going forward. You can unhide memories from a blocked date range at any time by navigating back to this screen and then clicking the X next to the date range you want to resume seeing memories from. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.